Hello guys, welcome back to my channel where crypto is made simple. In my previous video I spoke about the 2 weeks chart and the stochastic RSI, which is the momentum of the market. We're back here when I spoke about it. What you can realize in today's video, in today's update, is we've officially crossed above 20, and both the fast line, the blue line, and the orange line are heading up. This is a nice sign for the markets. This shows that, like we said, momentum is coming to the market. And we also spoke about this chart, the NVT flashing red, in previous video, and what you can realize here is the red cross is getting closer and closer to the 40 level, which is a good sign. It could be doing something similar to this place. And we also spoke about the moving average, the 20-week and the 100-week moving average. We're going to give a little update today on this. And in today's video, what I'm going to show you is I'm going to pull up this indicator. It's called the MACD, moving average convergence divergence. You can pull it out on TradingView. You can see on the 2-weekly chart, those crosses happen rarely, not every while and then. What you can see over here is the blue line is getting closer and closer to the orange line, which is a good sign. We'll dig deep down into a lower time frames, so we can have a clearer picture in a second. Now let's jump to this chart. We are on the 12-day chart. The reason I'm using 12-day time frame is because this time frame has never gave a false signal. 12-day, the MACD on the 12-day chart. If you can realize here, we had only 3 crosses since Bitcoin's history. 1 over here, 2 over here. This is the 3rd cross, and we're getting closer and closer to our 4th cross, which is a good sign. You also want to see the histogram becoming smaller and smaller and smaller and turning into white colors. And also then watch for confluence after a cross. So now we'll jump into the weekly chart, the closer time frame, the near future, and we'll see what's going on over there. Alright, back to this chart, the 20 and the 100 moving average on the weekly. Like discussed in previous video, currently we're battling the 20-week moving average, the yellow line, and you can see over here we're getting closer and closer. What you want to watch for in November is a continuous support on this yellow line. What you want to watch for in November is for Bitcoin's price action to hug this yellow line as much as possible, or possibly break above the 20-week moving average and holding it as support, so we can have momentum and confluence to rise in price, just like somewhere over here. Like, you know guys, we're comparing this with 2015 cycle, somewhere close to this place. Let's watch and see how it plays out. And what you can also see over here on the RSI, the RSI made a low, a high, a higher low, high, higher low, forming an uptrend, and we've recently made a higher high. We've broken this level, and we're trying to create a higher high. Everything is on schedule currently. Let's pray and see what we have in November and December for Bitcoin.